When someone calls our office for the very first time on a marijuana charge, often they're upset, confused. Marijuana in the state of Texas is still illegal. And although marijuana has been decriminalized across the country, more than half of the United States has some form of decriminalization for marijuana charges. That is not the case here in Texas. And so many people don't understand why this is such a serious charge. Why am I being charged with this vape pen that I was able to legally purchase in half the country, and now here I am facing a felony? And if you're charged with a marijuana crime, you absolutely need to have a defense attorney represent you. When clients or family members contact our office, often they're under a high stress level. This lowering of the stress is something that everybody needs. A, it allows me to defend you better. We're able to communicate more effectively. But also, being empathetic and understanding where our clients are coming from is incredibly important. No one gets charged with a crime and doesn't feel that stress. By us being there to inform you and to be on your side is the number one thing I can do for you, is to be able to bring that stress down. I want to make sure that I have taken all of the unknowns that we possibly could and explain them so you understand what the next steps are and know what we're going to be able to do to represent you. That alone is going to take a lot of weight off your shoulders, because the weight of the unknown is usually the most powerful stressor in a criminal defense case. Some of the biggest mistakes I see people make when they're charged with a marijuana crime is they talk to the police. Marijuana crimes specifically, because they've been decriminalized across the country in many, many states, most people feel, well, this is some type of lesser crime. And if I just tell the police what happened, I'm sure they'll understand, and we can try to put this all behind us. Nothing can be further from the truth in the state of Texas. Marijuana is still illegal here. Love that or hate it, many of us hate it. It still means that when you're interacting with the police, any information that you provide them will be used against you. You feel like you're just copping to the marijuana so this could go away? Don't do that. You don't need to speak to police. Please call our office. We provide free consultations.